Good morning. A sunny Sunday morning, and this is going to be the day, hopefully, I think, when we're cutting my choice for the Field of Dreams through the year. John's cut his and Sanders, and well, all of them, because they had a multiple choice. Hedging their bet, men and boys. Yeah, we can't just stick to one. So, a little bit of an issue yesterday with the combine overheating. But as I was leaving the field, Jack and Liv were coming in with the compressor and generator to blow out the radiator and stuff like that. So hopefully that hasn't been an issue. And I would think by now, 12 o'clock, 2 minutes past to be precise, they should be in the field. Now what's left is, we've got my Field of Dreams, the mast field, and then there's another one over the road, which is, it's just a little bit touch and go which one's the better one. But my choice is the variety Dorsum, and the one over the road is Dorsum and some Typhoon mixed in. Now, Dorsum tends to get a pretty good shout when it comes to yield, fairly consistent. So we'll see what happens. Oh, we have a trailer there. So does that mean we have a combine? Combine. So he's not in my Field of Dreams. He's decided to go into the other one first. So he's hedging his bets. You see, still the chance of the biblical storm coming through to trash mine. He's hanging on to the end. So let's pop in and see. There we go. There's Liv and Andrew. So we'll see where the trailer's going. I would imagine Jack's probably... Jack will be on leading today because Andrew's a day off. He had a day booked off. So we've got Jack on the trailer today. There he is. And let's pull into the field and we'll have a little bit of a wander into this crop and see what it looks like. If I can find somewhere to pull up. There's a margin along the top of this field where I'll be able to get parked out of the way. Again, this crop's looked pretty good all year, but I still don't think it's as good as the one over the road. But you can see, can you see there? That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Now these fields here were taken out of grass, oh God, what was it, 4 years ago? Is that 4 years? And so on the farm, these fields are probably the fields that have been in the arable rotation the least amount of time.
Straw's a little bit damp underneath, but
is it? But it's all right.
It's all right.
Yeah. And Andrew's kind of skanked a day off the day,
middle of harvest, and he says, "Ooh, can I put in a holiday?"
What's that all about, like?
It's not a real farmer, is it?
Well, not really. Men and boys again. Men and boys. So, trailer day. Did you get the shed sorted out? Is that all? You got plenty of space?
I mean, do we truly ever have the shed sorted out? No. It's definitely going to be full.
Is it?
Definitely going to be full.
Oh,
but,
good.
Which, I mean, is brilliant, but the trouble is you've got dry stuff and then you've got wet stuff.
Wet stuff. Is the dryer running or?
No,
just leave it.
He's gone off, so I've had to stop my job.
It's best
so
left,
I'll get it in the
it?
neck because of that.
You got enough room to tip everything. You'll be able to manage with pushing up and what have you.
With enough determination.
You haven't got a spare bay anywhere? No. Pushing it to the edge?
Oh.
Champion.
Oh.
That's what we need, isn't it?
Always.
Yeah, makes the excitement of the day. Well, we've got to see how these fields do. Cause
yeah.
I think this is... There's a bad bit down in the corner there where he is now. But it's touch and go between these two, like.
That's always been a damp corner down there.
I know, it's always been bad. Did you get the radiator blown out yesterday?
Yes.
When it came up? Was there much in it?
Oh,
was it? It was full, was it? And it never overheated after that?
No, haven't had any problems, so.
Right, good. Excellent. We'll just wait for him to come round and see what's what.
That'll be smooth sailing, hopefully.
Yeah, it'll be a good day. Last day of harvest. And then we're done.
Oh, that's always a good feeling.
So does that look like a good crop or what? We'll see how that comes off. Well, he's made a start in this field, which does look pretty good. This one might just... It's the only one on the farm that would possibly beat the ones over the road. And just take a look at that over the top. It really does look a picture. We'll say 2 varieties in here, so we'll see how it goes. He's got the first load off into the trailer. There's Jack there at the end, and he's coming up here in the sunshine up the side of the trees. So the wind's dropped right out today, so there'll be a little bit of a dew this morning, but yeah, you just got to wait a little bit for that to come off, and it'll mix in, it's dry enough, and that looks pretty good to me. He's just going along the bottom of the field. We'll wait for him to come up and we'll pop in the cab and see what it looks like from there and see what he has to say for himself. But it's getting hot out there, seriously getting hot out there, so any dew that was lying in the bottom of the straw that's getting ready for bale, and it'll be sweated off shortly, so they'll be able to continue with the baling and hopefully get that lot cleared, and then somebody will probably come into here and get this one done. Be nice to see it all baled up and then just to clear off the field. But yeah, definitely getting hot, and I think it's going to be even hotter tomorrow, but today should see it finished, fingers crossed, following wind, all that sort of stuff. So let's go and jump in the cab. Combine stopped at the bottom of the field. I wonder what that can be all about. Best go and have a look, eh? Maybe it's been the curse of the commentator, saying that this will be the last day of harvest. Oh, come on, man. Oh no, he's going again. You see, I've just started moving and off he is, so that's good enough. I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll just pull in here so that the car's in the shade, which is a better plan, and we'll wait for him coming up. Let's see if we can get in the combine without breaking a leg, eh? One-handed as well, climbing in the combine with a hand on the gimbal. He didn't even slow down from it. But anyway, there we go. So, how we doing? It's hot out there, John, isn't it?
It is. Have to cool the aircon down a bit. You've got us all hyped up for this Field of Dreams meet.
Have I? Are you excited?
Well, I am. I mean, I've contacted Roy Castle and Norris McWhirter.
Oh, right, okay. What, telling them not to bother?
To reach me goal, your Field of Dreams is going to have to do 25 ton of the hectare. So I'm thinking that could be a record breaker, like.
Well, it'd be a record breaker and a bloody big ask. Well, it's not going to do that, is it?
No.
I don't even think you'll hit a high spot of 15. I think maybe it's a high spot of 13 might register. We'll wait and see, like.
Don't mind counting all the chickens and all that.
No, I'm not into that. We're just looking at what's going into the header there. It's about the best bit I've seen, I think. It'll be dry enough, won't it? Bit of dew this morning.
Was that?
The wind dropping out. What time did you get done last night?
9:30, I think.
All right. Early finish.
Aye.
You had a good night's sleep. You didn't go to the pub, did you?
No, I did not go to the pub.
I drove around here, you know. And I was going to see if he's going to start. It'll be about, I think it was 11:30 when I passed these gates. I thought, oh God, that overheating problem on the combine from yesterday. Has it stopped him? Is it a serious problem? It's that time. It's time to go and visit the last field being cut for harvest 2025. Finishing on the 11th of August. I've never known a harvest be finished that early. When did I first, involved in farming in one way or another since I was about 12-year-old, and I've never known a harvest be finished by the 11th of August. And basically a fairly clear run. But most interesting of all is that John is now in the field that I picked way back in the spring as the field with the most potential on the farm, and which would be the highest yielding field. Now, I was unwavering in my choice, unlike others who kind of flitted about from one field to another, whichever way the mood suited them. I don't know. What are people like, eh? But here we go. This is it now. I was up earlier on and it looked really good. He was chomping away at it. The yield meter was kicking out some interesting figures, but I thought I would just pop home and have me tea and then come back, and the bale is running. They're in, customers in baling these straw, so that's good, perfect condition. So I thought, I would come back up and we'll see how it's going. It's probably got about an hour or so to go to get finished. Look at the dust rising off that. Should we pop in the cab and have a look, eh? It's exciting, isn't it? Oh God, get a life. Oh, dear me. So, nearly at the end, eh?
Nearly at the end.
Is it promising? Is it promising?
Average.
Average? Highs? Lows?
That last field, I saw it at 12, right at the very end.
Right.
And that was the only time I saw 12.
11 there now, is it? So do you think over the road will beat it?
I don't know.
It's going to be tight, isn't it?
It is.
Well, you might not have to do much fabricating if it's that close, will you? Eh? Don't forget that bit under the tree you missed.
Oh, yes,
that
I'll
could
get that, I'll get that.
could sway it, you know.
Right.
That looks alright, that though, but paper out. Where are we at then? He's hiding that with his hand to see doctoring the figures.
We've already did 5 knots too.
Oh, bog off! What's that? Mast
8.87.
8.87.
Sellersfield did 8.48.
But so the quarry field was the best one of the lot, wasn't it?
Curryfield was 8.58.
Oh,
So this just pipped us.
I thought there was one. Oh, so I have one. I was
Well-
right. So I was right all along. But there you go. I've been vindicated.
Well, if you,
And all of me bull throughout the year,
right.
I've been vindicated. Well, there you go. Not by quite as much as I thought, mate, so it is still a bit disappointing, but it's good to be right.
I'm sure you'll dine out on that for a long time.
We'll have to be mentioned round the kitchen table with a cup of tea sometime this week, really, won't it?
I'm sure it will.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Well done, John. Good harvest. That's an end to it. Now for drilling and sheep.